Hi everyone, my name is Thomas Kim. Today is September 15th, 2022. This is my 57th episode about C++ 17 2023 CUDA SQL OpenGL OpenCL TBB. This is third episode for OpenGL CUDA. I will film this video with the title Best of Both Worlds CUDA by example. Some algorithms are very simple to implement using CPU devices. Other algorithms are very complex to correctly implement using CPU devices. Those algorithms that are very complex or difficult to implement correctly using CPU devices turn out to be very simple to implement using GPU devices. So, if we can harness both CPU and GPU devices in our programs, we can benefit from full computing capabilities out of our target computing machines. Running GPU programming such as CUDA or SQL is no different from running CPU programming. I will highly recommend you CUDA by example, this book. This book was written almost over 12 years ago. This book is relatively short, only 320 pages long. Of course, some part of this book is deprecated, but don't worry, I will help you learn how to cope with the deprecated feature of this book. From my past experience, this book is super awesome to learn CUDA. If you double-click this link, you can download the sample code for CUDA by example. Click Download. Show in folder, unzip it, rename 000, copy, paste it in your working directory. This is our working directory. Double-click it. You can find source. We can try any chapter, but I will try chapter 8. Now copy this folder path. Open this command prompt. cd paste. Hit enter. dir. We have 3 source code. Before we build this source code, I made some mistake from our previous episode. In our previous episode, we created GL Tools. In the bin folder, we copy and paste it. I missed a few things from pre-GLUT, this folder, lib, double-click it, release, copy. Now go up, bin, you can paste. Now go up, pre-GLUT, lib, debug. We will copy, go up, bin, paste. We also need lib files for GLEW. Go up, GLEW, LIB, release, X64, copy, go up, bin, paste, go up, GLEW, LIB, debug, X64, copy, go up, bin, paste. In this folder, you should have 22 items in this folder. Here, I will zip GL Tools. I will post this GL Tools to my website and put a link in this script file such that you can download. Now, in this command prompt again, we will build nvcc hit.co on.exe, hit enter. You should have this error message, cannot open file GLUT 64 LIB. This error message comes from GPU animation.h. Now open your Visual Studio Code. Open CPP 1723 parallel. From here, scroll up, folder 000, CUDA by example master, source. You can find common, then GPU animation. This file calls this file. This file is open, GL helper. In this part, we do not have this DLL. Instead, we can use DEB soft GL Tools bin. We can use LIB file. Rename pre-glut lib. Now here, instead of doing this, we will overwrite. Now I will change focus. I will close it. We will rebuild. CLS dir. Now we built successfully. But CLS, we have some warning message. These are warning message. Now copy 1215. Copy here. Pragma nv dig suppress paste. Copy paste. Once again, we have another warning. Copy this 1264. We should fix like this. Now in the command prompt again, CLS, we rebuild. Now you should be able to build successfully. And this is a computer simulation for heat transfer. Now close it. We will try another nvcc ripple.cu or.exe, hit enter. CLS R. This is Ripple simulation. I will close it. In the web browser, I saw cpp.org, hit enter. Compiler conformance status. In this page, if you scroll down, you can find SCD forward like. This feature will be introduced to C++23. I implemented in episode 36 forward like. I implemented this algorithm that will be introduced in C++23 standard library. SCD forward like. This feature will be supported in Clang version 16 or 19.32 Microsoft Visual C++. As you can see, forward like I implemented in this video, I always keep abreast with C++ standard. If you register to my membership, you can learn state-of-the-art C++ programming. This will be my last video for non-members of my YouTube channel. Beginning on my next episode, I will not create videos for non-registered members. I will create only for registered members on my channel.